Natural first aid for gallbladder attacks. When a gallstone becomes lodged in the gallbladder's neck or a bile duct, a gallbladder attack can result. This can prohibit regular bile flow and cause the biliary system's pressure to build up. These bile duct spasms cause horrible discomfort and agony. Even if there are no stones in the gallbladder, a gallbladder attack is still possible. These symptoms may be brought on by cholecystitis, gallbladder sludge, or a stone that has been lodged in a bile duct inside the liver. A gallbladder attack causes severe abdominal discomfort in the right upper quadrant, vomiting, sweating, intestinal gas, diarrhea, burping, fever, or right shoulder pain. This pain can be constant or come and go. These attacks often last 1 to 4 hours and commonly happen after a large, high-fat meal. As a result, nighttime is when most gallbladder attacks happen. The following are some simple home treatments you can use to reduce the discomfort of a mild to moderate gallbladder attack. 1. Hot pack. By heating your gallbladder, you can release pressure by expanding the bile ducts. This can be quite helpful for reducing excruciating biliary duct spasms, and if a little stone is blocking a bile duct, applying heat may be able to clear it. You'll need a hot water bottle or a heated wheat or corn bag in addition to a warm, wet towel. Lay down and cover the upper right side of your abdomen with a warm, damp towel. After that, stand up, take a few minutes to move around, then sit down again and resume the process. This procedure can be repeated multiple times until the gallbladder attack subsides. 2. Castor Oil Hot Pack. Compared to utilizing a hot water bottle or wheat bag, a castor oil hot pack is more efficient. A heat pack or compress containing castor oil is frequently used to treat a number of unpleasant illnesses, such as joint pain and menstrual cramps. Castor oil can help with gallbladder problems by easing discomfort and spasms in the bile ducts and gallbladder. This oil has therapeutic qualities and is absorbed through the skin. Therefore, it is very advantageous to apply a castor oil hot pack to your gallbladder and liver during an acute gallbladder attack. However, if you have an inflamed gallbladder that frequently makes you uncomfortable, we also advise using this remedy regularly for 30 minutes, 3 times a week, at least 2 hours after dinner. Castor oil pack preparation instructions. The heat pack needs to be placed over your gallbladder as you lay in bed for 30 minutes. Placing an old blanket on the area you intend to lie down on will prevent castor oil from staining your bed. Soak a cloth in castor oil. Wring out any excess oil and fold it in half. Place the folded soaked cloth over your gallbladder. Then, place a layer of cling wrap over the cloth, followed by a moist towel on top of the cling wrap. Place a hot water bottle on top of the moist towel, followed by a second old blanket. For 30 minutes, lie down and breathe slowly and deeply. When finished, remove all of the layers and throw the towels and blankets in the washing machine together, washing them separately from any other laundry. This entire procedure is time-consuming and unpleasant, but it can provide significant pain relief. 3. Warm flax seed drink. Many European nations still utilize this traditional home treatment to treat pain and inflammation. It works wonders for gallbladder and biliary duct spasms and inflammation. Add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to a small pot with 3 cups of water. You should have about 1 cup of liquid after simmering the mixture on a very low heat for 20 minutes. Strain out the seeds and throw them away. Drink the concoction slowly while it's still warm. 4. Warm apple cider vinegar. It is crucial to include apple cider vinegar in your diet on a regular basis if you want to dissolve gallstones, but sipping on diluted apple cider vinegar during a gallbladder attack is a good first aid therapy. During a gallbladder attack, mix 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar into 1 mug of warm water and sip carefully. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.